Hello all and welcome back to my kitchen. If you're new here, I am Lish the baker, and on today's episode we are making olive oil bread. I personally love baking bread, and this recipe makes it so ridiculously easy that you don't honestly have much of an excuse not to. You only need a few key ingredients and some time to let the bread rise, and then you have fresh baked bread. Without further ado, let's get into the baking. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed this recipe video. If you do decide to make it, leave me a comment down below and let me know, how did you enjoy your bread? Butter, jam, grilled cheese? Let me know. Please give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon if you want to get notified every time that I post a new video. Until next time, keep it delicious.